How many times have you said, I really should, and then blinked, and watched another year go by exactly the same? I should reach out to friends more. I should join that book club. I should start building muscle. And somehow, here we are, same thoughts, same habits, same stuck feeling. Here's the good news, and yes, I'm about to be very direct with you. You actually can make these things happen. Not someday, not when you feel more motivated, like now. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you a simple psychology framework that takes vague wishes and turns them into real-world results. And once you see it, you'll realize why willpower was never the problem. Stay with me. Here's what most people do when they want to change their lives. They stay super vague. I want more friends. I want to be more social. I want a better life. Cool, super inspiring, also completely useless. Because let me ask you this, what does more social actually look like on a random Tuesday afternoon? What would you physically have to do? And more importantly, what would you have to believe about yourself to do it? This is where people get stuck. They want the result, but they never build a roadmap. So today I'm teaching you something I call reverse goal psychology. It's a way of reverse engineering your goals from the inside out, and it works because it lines up your thoughts, feelings, and actions instead of fighting them. And yes, this is the kind of work most people skip and then wonder why nothing changes. And quick side note, if your inner critic is already piping up going, yeah, but this won't work for me, that's exactly why I created my free guide, 6 Steps to Quieting Your Inner Judge. Because you don't need more discipline, you need fewer mental roadblocks. Grab it from my website after this video. Okay, here's where we do things differently. Most people start with actions and hope the feelings catch up. We're starting at the end, not with the desired result, and working backward. This is reverse goal psychology in action. Let's use a real-life example. Say your goal is, I want more social activity in my life. Great intention, now let's make it real. Step 1, desired result. Write this down. My desired result is to have 3 meaningful social interactions in the next 2 weeks. Notice how much more specific this is than I want to be more social? It's the next 2 weeks, not forever. It doesn't require a complete personality transplant, just 3 human connections in 14 days. Put that at the bottom of your page. Step 2, required actions. Now move 1 step up and ask, what would I actually have to do for that to happen? Things like text 2 friends and suggest coffee. Say yes to the invitation you've been dodging. Join that walking group, go to the neighbor's game night. Actually schedule a lunch instead of we should. Write all of these actions down. And if you're thinking, okay, this makes sense, but I still don't trust myself to follow through, that's exactly what we work on inside Master Your Mind. It's for women who already know what to do, but can't seem to make themselves do it consistently. More on that in a bit. Now here's the part people skip, and this is why they stay stuck. Because knowing the what to do list isn't enough. If it were, you'd already be doing it. Step 3, required feeling. Look at your list of actions. Now ask yourself and be honest, how would I need to feel to actually do those things? Confident, brave, calm, worthy? For me, I need to feel worthy and light, not desperate, not needy, just allowed to take up space. And pause for a second. If part of you just reacted to that, good. That reaction is information. Write down the feeling you'd need. Step 4, required thought. Last step, and this is where the shift happens. Ask yourself, what would I need to think to feel that way? For me, most people are happy to hear from me. Connection doesn't have to be perfect to be meaningful. Those thoughts create worthiness and ease, but if I think, I'm probably bothering them, guess what happens? Anxiety, shame. And suddenly the couch feels very comfortable. So if your thoughts don't generate the feeling you need, we change the thoughts. Not magical fake ones, believable ones. This right here is the core of Master Your Mind. It's not about positive thinking, it's about becoming the woman who follows through because her mind is finally working with her instead of against her. Now let me show you the whole roadmap together, because this is your game plan. Thought: most people are happy to hear from me. Connection doesn't have to be perfect. Feeling: worthy and light. Action: text 2 friends. Say yes to 1 invitation. Put your shoes out and show up to the walking group without excuse. Result: 3 meaningful social interactions in 2 weeks. That's reverse goal psychology. Take the vague wish, turn it into a roadmap, and actually follow through. You can use this for anything: health, relationships, career, confidence. Head to my website and grab 6 steps to quieting your inner judge. And if you're ready to stop being the woman who knows better but still feels stuck, my digital course, Master Your Mind, is there for you. This is how we stop letting years slip by and start creating real change. You've got this.